Hi, my name is Teck Wei, and I am a product manager at InspireTech. Welcome to this video on EasyShare and Nutanix, where enterprise file security meets simplicity. In this video, we will be looking at enterprise file security, challenges faced by organizations in this area, and the solution we offer to help you overcome these challenges. Before that, let me start with an introduction about InspireTech and Nutanix. InspireTech is founded in 2000 with our headquarters in Singapore. We have a strong understanding of the diverse IT environments in Asia. This has enabled us to build flexible solutions that can meet you at where you are. Our solutions have been trusted by many customers, including government agencies. For this video, we will be looking at EasyShare, our enterprise file security solution. Nutanix is founded in 2009 with their headquarters in the US. They are a leader in hyper-converged infrastructure. In this partnership, we will be leveraging on Nutanix files and Nutanix objects. So here, we are combining InspireTech's strengths in enterprise software with Nutanix strengths in infrastructure to deliver more value. Back to our topic, let us look at the challenges faced by enterprises in file security. We begin by breaking down what is enterprise file security and understanding the scope of today's topic. First, we are looking at enterprises, where sensitive data are mission critical. Next, we are focusing on unstructured data like files and documents. These are typically more difficult to manage than structured data. Finally, we are looking at security aspects such as confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the files. Let us pause to think about where are the risks in your organization. Are you worried about how your organization is sharing files, internally and externally, and whether files are backed up and protected properly? By working with our customers, we notice trends where organizations are implementing stringent security policies, providing limited backup space despite ever-growing digital files. These are forcing users to use third-party solutions, a phenomenon known as shadow IT. These trends have caused pain points such as constrained collaboration, where users face difficulties in sharing files, loss of data due to hardware failures, ransomware, or just plain human mistake, such as loss of external disk drives. Finally, IT is expected to provide security, yet face an increased lack of visibility on users' activities. IT is also frequently being blamed for security incidents which are unknown to them. Before heading to our solution, let us evaluate some of the systems you might be using. One system commonly used is traditional network-attached storage. They are typically on-premise, private, within the intranet, and data sovereignty is controlled by the organization. However, they are commonly attacked by ransomware, difficult to scale, have audit logs which are difficult to understand, and an unintuitive version control, forcing users to name files with v1, v2, etc. Another system is the public cloud storages. They are typically on the cloud, scalable and highly available, bringing a lot of convenience to IT. However, they are usually subjected to vendor lock-in, creates privacy concerns, unsuitable for confidential files, and highly dependent on internet bandwidth, which can be a problem to some organizations. So IT is usually stuck in between the pros and cons of these systems. If you are also facing this difficult choice, our flexible solution is an option that can bring the right balance for you. Our solution starts off with users. They access EasyShare to perform their usual file activities. EasyShare will then leverage on Nutanix infrastructure to store and secure their files. In this solution, Nutanix offers a scalable cloud platform which is highly available, cost-effective, and easy to manage, all within your control. EasyShare will be the user-facing solution, providing features such as sync and backup and version control. Administrators will also be able to implement flexible policies and get improved visibility from our audit logs. These solutions simplify collaboration for users and provide an easy tool to back up their files. Not forgetting IT administrators, you will have a solution which is simple to manage and comply with security policies. EasyShare is a flexible solution with multiple storage connectors. Hence, we are also able to connect to your existing system, providing a unified interface. Next, for a quick architecture, here is one option available. We support air-gapped environments, separating internal network from the internet for security purposes. This ensures that only files required to be shared externally are exposed to the internet. For external sharing, our two-factor authentication and view-only options provides added security. We have multiple other options available depending on the use cases as well. Reach out to us to find out more. Next, let us move on to a quick demo. I will first show you the demo based on the end user perspective. This is one of our client options, the web portal. EasyShare is also available in other client options such as Windows Desktop and mobile applications. Upon logging in, users will be greeted with a familiar interface. As such, minimal training is required for users to use this system. On the left, we have retained the concept of drives, such as personal, operations drive, and collaboration drive that I have. This is something not found in some of the other solutions where they focus on folders and file sharings only. Our customers have feedback to us that for enterprise to manage their storage, the concept of allocating drives is important for them. Next, I will show you our version history. Here, I can see a list of older versions of my files, which I can either download or restore them if I need to. Finally, I will show you our share feature, which has multiple security controls such as link expiry, SMS OTP, notifications if there's any downloads by the recipients, limits on the number of download attempts, and share with view only, which disable user from downloading the file. Next, I will move on to our administrators portal. This is our administrators portal. We specifically designed it to be separated from end user portal so that admins are clear that they're coming in here to do very privileged functions. Upon logging in, administrators can look at user management, storage management, policies, and audit logs. One quick thing that administrators can also do is to look up for a user and be able to quickly identify what access does that user has. This is something that may require additional tools in some other systems. Next, I will show you our audit logs. Our audit logs are simple to read. You will know the specific date time, the user that performed the action performed, the file name that's involved, and the path of the file. These logs are easily downloadable into an Excel format as well. With that, we have come to the end of this video. To find out more, please visit our website at www.easyshare.com or drop us an email at sales@easyshare.com. Thank you for watching this video.